Hello from Los Angeles. I just picked up our rental car. Now I'm gonna go drive to LAX again to pick up my friends who have just landed, and then we'll be on our way. Woohoo! Alright, on the way! Lemon tree. Yum! Should each take a trash. Oh my god, that's so thick. There you go. Thank you. Thanks, Joy. Only Annika finished all her food. Of course. Mine is also finished. No, it's not. Morning started. I didn't need to buy. Those are cute. Wow. Cute. Tastes like strawberry. Bro, this angle confused me so much. We have chachi. I think we got the wrong type of tea. The straws are very moist. Can you taste this and make sure it's overall compared to both are sweet. I think Molly tea is better. I agree. Okay, be on the way. Yeah. Whoa. 28. Single riders? For our first ride. Attention. Everybody remember one? Let's go. $7. Whoa. I need to pet myself in the coach. This is Adina after the cooking wine school. Outfit of the day. Very artificial banana. Or lime.
They could be lying.
Oh! How's the turkey? How's your pretzel bread?
It was crispy on the outside. Didn't have much on the inside, but it was good.
Who needs brakes? Oh, regen braking? This is the bumpiest ride of my life. Oh, shit! Oh, hi. Oh, it's the robot. Holy crap. We have single ride passes.
Welcome to It's a Small World. Put your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And please watch your children.
Goodbye, Disneyland. Maybe I'll get a cake. Maybe.
Welcome aboard the Metro.
Strawberry shortcake. Oh shit, dude, she popping off. You remember it from that? Like, it's literally. Why is so large then?
Whoa, guys, look at this.
Oh, whoa, fuck.
Hey vlog. We're going to Rodeo Drive. Where are we going first?
Starting route to Brighton Parking Structure.
There's another Jenny's
Head
Splendid Ice
southwest
Cream
on Richmond
there.
Avenue.
See ya at Rodeo Drive. I stuck it out so far. I'm pretty sure everyone saw it.
Rodeo Drive. Get. Walk, girl. Walk your step. We did a little something today. How do you feel?
A lot of Chinese tourists.
Dude, guys. Hi. Welcome.
My poor baby's back there. The line for In and Out. Hello. Good. How are you? Can I get a cheeseburger, please? Can I get an animal fry?
Animal fry, okay.
Can I also get a Diet Coke?
Diet Coke.
Can I have a cheeseburger with grilled onions
Cheeseburger, onions, okay.
and then this rice?
Right. Anything else?
That's it.
That's all. Good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Diet Coke and ketchup? You want ketchup?
Yes, please.
Oh, the camera was knocked down because of the bump. Oh, my bad. Okay, bye. Alright, vlog.
Let's do a haul. Here's the Reformation shirt I bought. Bag 1 and bag 2. There's a hole in the bag. Dude, I feel like I'm on QVC, a wrestling box. Oh yeah, deal. Yes. Background props. Oh my gosh. Wow. Period. It's also crossbody. One moment, please. Boom. Crossbody. That was from Celine. And then we went to Dior and I did a little more damage. Awesome. I bought my first designer bag, and to celebrate, we bought a second one. Boom. Wow. It's a trick. Boom. Wow. She's stunning. Wow. Nice. New bag. Hope y'all enjoy. New me. See you later.
Joy is napping. It is 10:30 p.m. We're gonna go get crepes. She has instructed us to vlog this. Or she told us we could vlog it if we wanted to. Oh, really?
I thought they were instructions.
I thought there were suggestions.
I finally get to do a transition. Bye.
Oh, wow! We have parking spot.
I think it's this one to change the
Oh.
and then this one to start recording. The line is ridiculous. I feel like we're gonna be waiting here for an hour.
So Adina's gonna get the other crepe that one review says emojis this place.
Here. Cured.
Here's the crepe. We're still in line.
This is the hojicha banana crepe with creme brulee top.
And the banana's falling off.
Okay.
There's only cream and crepe.
We are halfway down and it's all cream.
We lost hope, there's no filling. Wow, it's very low light, but this is what we got. Bye! Is it good? Oh wait, Joy one.
This one mogs.
Bye!
Bye. On a side quest to get mochi. Blueberry apple. Have a good one, thank you. I'm good.
one is kind of fire. Adina just got a lot of pins.
I thought you all want some. I do. Thank you very much.
How's this one?
It's soft.
She's so far to the left.
We're going to solid core.
Video.
Bestow me a gift. As well, I've been bestowed a gift.
Choose the packaging as much as possible.
And we have our Haley Bieber smoothie.
Hi Haley, if you're watching this, thank you for your contributions to society. That looks like glass.
No popcorn. We also have our gooey brownie, a cake slice, $90.
That scared me a bit.
Immunity shot.
I also have an immunity shot. It's glass.
Yeah, I'm logging her immunity. Oh, that's gingery. I need to chase it with some clear once more water. Water's great. Tastes like
Alright.
caramel peanuts. Organic sour honey. Sour cherry fruit bites. I'm really into
That looks good. How is it?
Please help me. Crack that.
Raw gooey there.
Curly fan.
Healthy to me.
Not too sweet.
I'm so full right now.
Hi.
Oh my god. Blueberry? Is it donut?
Annika's eating our leftovers. Shut up, Annika.
The classic hour. Oh my god.
We are leaving now. Should we do one final check? Oh my god, everything hurts. Checks complete.
Pure City. We have returned.
Period.
Predicted. Look at her cook. The cast of the vlog is leaving. Goodbye.
Goodbye.